A small estate affidavit is a document you can use to distribute the assets in an estate without having to go to court. Generally, if you are collecting a person's assets, you have to undergo a lengthy and costly process. But if the estate is considered small, all you really need is a form. In this video, we'll talk about how to use a small estate affidavit, what California law says about small estates, how you can use an affidavit to recover assets in California, and more. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to find a link to a fillable small estate affidavit that you can use in California. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can access videos which simplify and break down all the complicated legal matters you'll encounter in your life. So what does a small estate affidavit accomplish? Basically, this document allows a beneficiary of a small estate to collect assets from a third party without having to go to court. In California, this document is also known as a petition to determine succession to real property, and it can be used to administer the assets of an estate worth less than $166,250. This amount excludes vehicles and vessels. Laws in every state treat small estate affidavits differently. So what does California law say? First, state law says a beneficiary must wait 40 days after the death occurs before filing an affidavit. If you're waiting for the 40-day period to pass, you can begin the process of preparing your affidavit. First, you'll have to obtain a certified copy of the death certificate. You'll also have to put together an itemized list of assets belonging to the estate and gather proof of ownership for all items. The inventory list will not include real estate, vehicles, and vessels. The affidavit will ask you to confirm under penalty of perjury that no other person has a superior right to the property in the decedent's possession, so the proof of ownership is important. You'll also have to fill out either Form DE-221 or Form DE-160-GC040. You can find both of these on the eForms website. The first is what you fill out if you are the deceased person's spouse. The second is what you fill out if you are not the deceased person's spouse. After 40 days have passed, you can download our California Small Estate Affidavit and complete the form. The form must be signed and notarized. Once you've done this, you can take your affidavit as well as your inventory list and death certificate to the probate court in the county where the deceased person was a resident. The fee to file the affidavit is $435. Once the process is complete, you can use the affidavit to collect properties from third parties. The form may not be used to obtain possession of real estate. If real estate is involved, separate forms must be attached and filed. You can access those on the eForms website as well. If you need a California Small Estate Affidavit template or any other form you'll need to take care of real estate related matters, we have the world's largest database of fillable legal documents, and we're here to help.